We are back, sibuyile, sekuyisikhathi.
We're back. I'm back. He's back.
Where the girls at?
Hey.
Ungafiki kudede ngezikulobole. Siveze manje. Yodlala. We reacted to Drake and Central C on the Radar Freestyle.
Radar Freestyle. Whoa.
I wonder if Drake still got it. In terms of freestyles.
I don't know about freestyle.
I'm skeptical.
But rappability, like, it's when people, you see when people talk about J. Cole, Kendrick, and Drake, that whole debate. I'm like, there's no debate.
Yeah, there's an order there. There's no debate.
There's no debate. We know who's the best rapper. It's Kendrick. Number two, I'm sorry. I would not give it to J. Cole. I would not give it to J. Cole. Number two, I would never. Because J. Cole is very good. But when Drake thing is, he has a lot of misses.
But a lot of hits too. It's like Drake he's a make it or break it type of guy.
His best bars are probably have like Drake is very good, guys. He's very good. Like, I'm not gonna, when I look at Drake 2015, 2016, that era Drake, I can't say J. Cole is better than him. As much as now Drake...
Views just doesn't have like verses like that.
But even before that, like...
Nothing was the same going down years.
What's that one? Is it...
If you're reading this is true,
5 a.m. Toronto. What's that song where he...
Yeah, there is a song
the
like
one
that.
at night or something.
There is a song like that.
Bro, like when Drake raps, dude, he really raps. Like, he
but
really,
I think that's
really
in the
raps.
past tense now.
Yeah, but he still has it in him. He still has it in him. That's what I'm saying, Wuti. I can't say J. Cole as much as J. Cole probably has better verses overall than him. He probably has better, like, bars. He has more bars, but come on.
Yeah, Drake had that it factor.
He's a bigger star than any of the other two. I'll give him that.
Next stop is On the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Is that Ice Spice?
And Nasty C.
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar Radio Freestyles. Yo, Drake and Central C in the building. I'm gonna step out. They both gonna step in and body this. All right? Let's go.
Yeah.
Why would you agree to go after Drake? Why would you do that?
Why would a grown man have nail polish? What's going on?
A man with kids. A father, not even a man. A father. Fucking cute text.
On the Radar 2023. 6GOD, man, broski 2.
Jesus, this jacket. And it's
Highly flammable.
Jesus
That shit is
Christ.
highly flammable.
Know what it is. Some madness and badness.
Just right.
Combination. Yeah. Hey. Grr. On morning side, got no...
He's gonna do an accent. He's gonna do an
It's
accent.
the first time I've heard a cypher or freestyle with a beat like this.
It's the first time I've heard a Drake sci-fi.
Yeah, that's
Cypher.
true. But like, I've never heard a beat
Please don't
like
tell me
this.
he's gonna wait. Please don't tell me he's gonna do an accent. Or
Of
is
course
he
he
gonna?
will.
He's gonna. Don't do a
course he will.
Jamaican. Don't do a UK. That's why Drake
He
is
will.
such. Fuck.
He taints his own legacy. He's that guy.
This is why. This is why.
So we like, I've got the perfect child, and then they shit their pants. It's like,
Taking a ride. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be beside. When I was an actor, they would go...
I'm sorry, but this shit does not. This beat is, at least if you're making a song, not for just rhymes. Like, it does not make sense.
Traffic just to sell food on Bieber's side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl. That's just one reason why. I seen you around that Soto enough, man, baby. You love her. If I take flicks with the guys, I gotta put emojis over like 3 faces, cause the feds can't see those eyes. People I shouldn't be...
If I have to,
Feds for what?
because his friends are criminals. Shout out to all the criminals.
No fucking. His fucking bodyguards are probably cops. What the fuck is he talking about?
Yeah, who is he hanging out to as a criminal?
That's what I
agent?
want to know. It's like, you've been rich for the past 15 years. Like, why are you talking like you've got crimes on your... Hey, whatever.
Bieber side. When I was an actor, they would go Stratford just to sell food on Bieber side. Plenty reasons why I'm this way, my girl. That's just one reason why. I seen you around at Soto with Enough Man, baby. You love all some idiot guys. Obedient guys, jokers and comedian guys. You know I'm like 6'2" in the right shoe love, but you love all some medium guys. I wanna keep you on the beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seeing you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes. Pressing against me, thinking about entry, no, you could tell it's a decent size. You wanna know the real me, girl, say you want.
I will say this. Drill was way better when it was a UK thing. When who's that guy? The dark skinned guy? The tall guy?
Is it? Yeah, I see him.
Not Skepta, the other one.
Yeah, the one.
Stormzy.
Yes, him.
It was way better when they were doing it. Cause the weird beats, the weird accent, it made sense.
Wanna see deep inside. If Chubbs has on a Chanel side bag, you don't wanna see him reach inside. Cause we know some demon guys with jealous and evil eyes. You know that's how Jesus died. You know that's how Julius Caesar.
Why you talk about Jesus when you're Jewish? See, that's the thing with Drake. Drake does not have principles. Like, this is what I stand behind. Because he'll say...
Wait, Jews don't have Jesus?
No, they don't believe in Jesus.
Hey, shout out to Jews. I hope he's right, because if he's not, listen, if you guys pay me money, you can give me my own reaction channel and we can cancel him. I'll the first episode, the pilot episode of my new...
Motherfucker, that's why that star is called the
reactions.
Star of David, because David is their prophet. But
Shout out to David, though.
anyway, the point that I'm making is Drake will say things that are not in line with...
Say you wanna see deep inside. If Chubbs has on a Chanel side bag, you don't wanna see him reach inside. Cause we know some
Oh,
deep.
he has a teardrop tattoo now. What happened?
No,
Wow.
it's his mom's initials.
Huh?
I read somewhere that it was he tattooed his mom's initials.
That's the look he was going for. But anyway, yeah.
Teardrops. Who did he kill?
How do you get like a face tattoo at that age? That's my question.
Yeah, but
Like you're old
he
now.
got most of his tattoos after 35, after 30, which is weird.
Demon guys with jealous and evil eyes.
How old is Drake now?
Isn't he 86 born or 85?
I think, yeah, okay,
86.
if he's 86,
I think
he's
86.
probably 30.
37, yeah.
At 37 years old, he started putting on nail polish. So you cannot expect him to be early to catch up with.
Then I saw some article you were talking about, my lifestyle doesn't allow me to get married. I'm like, you need it. It's not even a matter of
Yeah,
allow
you
it.
need to practice some
you-
restraint.
You need it. You need to slow down.
You need to practice
growing
some
up.
restraint. Like, don't niggas look at Kendrick and be like,
Dude, people have families and you are busy talking
don't niggas look at Jay-Z like, Hov, I need to be
then
like
they're gonna
that
go
guy.
on podcast talking about it's hard to find a real woman. Meanwhile, Unje.
You know that's how Jesus died. You know that's how Julius Caesar died. I bet they were decent guys. I swear they remind me of me sometimes. I'm trying to be under your breast like peas and rice. You never get treated nice. Fool you once, that's fine, but you look dumb if you let them repeat it twice. 200 mil on the table. I hope I'm able to get this agreement signed. Told you I needed time, but really the truth is I don't believe in time. Feel like I've been here over 1,000 years, like since the medieval times. And I'm still just a cutthroat king, even though this is recent times. A man my dad that we're beefing with, but we don't do grieving time. Fuck teasing time. If I come inside you, it's breeding time. So much for idols. KMT with a high.
I'll go. We should have met DNA test down for. $1. $1.
Yeah, but yeah, this is a weird lifestyle. Where
He's
you have,
nutting in girls, but you don't want to marry them. What logic is this?
like, DNA test. Like, come on, bro.
Knew that I made it when I had drivers holding my last name up in arrivals. Cinch might need vaccine when he see how this vid start going viral. If leaders dead and the masses there with grains in there like silos. The morning rain clouds up my window, I swear I feel like Dido. JAUM, how it looks when man put you in a jam like typos. Negotiation asking for 20% of the company, that's my final. Realistic, the shit might M15 like I'm going through Tottenham High Road. If it's beef, I'll get that shade for bread and grease like I'm making gyros. Or I'm making gyros. So much for all these heroes. The numbers are good with me as long as it's comma to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Pass me a glass of the vino. If a girl try to take my Rolex, to buy some Valentino. I tell baby M what she did to the kid, that eyeliner like emo. She didn't rock my clothing line when we had one shirt to go with the jeans though. Now a man like me and Clint can afford those whips like Gran Torino. Good.
Crocodile tears, she ain't even crying. Why you swearing to God?
You don't even believe in Christ. What you saying wallahi for? You
You should be telling the guy you're rapping with.
ain't been on your deen, you been eating swine. Nah. Gutter. Crocodile tears, she ain't even crying. Why you swearing to God? You don't even believe in Christ. What you saying wallahi for? You ain't been on your deen, you been eating swine. Nah, I ain't a man of your dreams. Now you wish that you stayed with your previous guy. It used to be 3.5s. Now I can sell out the O2 Arena twice. Don't ask what the fee looks like. Don't believe all the media hype. Like 80% of these people lying. Who can I ask?
This beat is not helping you niggas.
I told you, these beats suck. You can't rap on beats
This
like this.
beat is not helping you niggas. Dude, this beat is not helping you niggas.
Because it's like, thing is, when you're freestyling, it's less about sonics and more about
Bars.
exactly the words that you're trying to get across. So if the beat is too fast, it's like you can't put the necessary emphasis on your words. It just doesn't make
Jesus
sense.
Christ, this beat.
When I need advice, I gotta work hard. This me provides email white piece for the feature.
Like you see with Baby Keem Kendrick, that Hood Billy, is it Hood Billies? That's the name of the track.
Yeah.
It makes so much perfect sense because
Hillbillies.
Hillbillies, yes, because that's like, it was fun. They were playing, you know. They're not trying to get bars out.
That's a deep, 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 deep ocean.
You know, like that track is just perfect because they were just playing around, making fun with words and sounds. Now here you can't like go in and
Wait.
rap hard.
Look at this man. Look at this face.
Yeah.
This is a face of a man who just took a giant dump
Okay.
on a TV show. Look at this man. Look at this man. Look at this
He's
man.
sitting there proud of himself.
He's dog. He literally wrote this down. He wrote this down and said, "I'm gonna."
They
spit bars."
practiced it. I'm pretty sure they practiced this thing.
Well,
It's rehearsed.
I'm sure he rehearsed it with his ghostwriter too. But I'm saying he literally
You gotta
approved
fire that
this.
ghostwriter.
He literally approved
This is
this.
the biggest extortion ring ever. if the shit was ghostwritten, you should go get your money back.
Look, what goes up must come down. So when you're in the air, prepare for the landing. I did everything that I could for my hood, so
As opposed to what? I hate dub lines. What goes up must come down. So when we're at the airport, expect the landing. As opposed to what?
how did they say I don't care for the man? Crib so big I might get out of breath if I walk too quick up the stairs in a mansion. They weren't there for the action. Tryna round up 300 Spartans, we're going to war but we ain't in Athens. Everything won't go to plan, that's not how it goes, I'm afraid shit happens. Rap boy on a footballer's wage, I'm on the same pay as the players at Dallas. What's making the haters jealous? I think of the AP's 18 carats, they call me my government name in Harris.
These chains look heavy as hell.
They look tacky. Fuck heavy.
Shout out.
It's tacky. With the big fucking rings and...
This one ratchet, don't even know who her baby dad is. If I come inside then I won't leave till I see a...
You probably get scars when you take these things off. Like, at the back of your neck.
I will never
Probably
understand.
get scratched.
I will never understand guys who wear earrings. Like I will never understand that shit. Now you can't even wear your headsets properly. Because I'm just not gonna hurt. That's
Double
crazy.
Take the tablets, no. He mentioned my name cause he wanted some fame and he ain't established. Alright, you know the verse gon' hit when you hear that ad-lib. Come a long way, I was selling them opium on my lonely, but I'm not Ken Carson. I'm a hood red, hot red dot on my head and my hood on my target. So drive or stay
Hood red in UK. I've never heard that before.
in a whip when I jump out quick, don't park.
No, I've never seen a black woman speaking in a UK accent. I've only seen black niggas.
Lil Sims.
I don't know who she is.
She raps. She's very good. She's from the UK.
Can lean out the window and horn it. I'm on the same pay as the players at Charlotte. Big fish in this thing, no armbands. Like a backstroke, I'm swimming a shot. Drop me in a jungle, tree to tree, start swinging like Tarzan. 24-inch on the rims on the Benz, I'm doing donuts and skidding on tarmac. Sick of these high-rise buildings, flip the script, now I'm living on farmland.
Drake, you have never owned a gun. I don't know how to do it. Especially an illegal gun.
What the fuck would he need a gun for?
I'm just saying exactly for the same reason he's doing that dumb thing. What is this? What is this?
Drake has never caught a body. Some pussy shit.
How it goes, yeah. Yeah.
I caught three last night. Shout out to Devza, who I killed like from across the road at is it Drakensberg Street? Shout out to what's that other nigga? That fat nigga.
Implicator be there.
What's that fat nigga? You know him. Who's that nigga
I
that
don't know shit. We don't speak to the police.
Dog, come on, dude, I'm serious. Who's that nigga that you killed
Me,
last week? Where you
I don't kill, but I slap. I'll slap the shit out of you. I will slap you. Trust me.
Okay, fine then.
But in any case,
That was Drake and Central C on the radar
freestyle.
freestyle.
I've got one word to sum this thing up.
Sucks,
Rubbish.
balls, boring, why, kill, be. Oh shit, that's 2 words. Yeah, Drake is just
Yeah, this
wow.
thing, like,
Central C, I'm sure he did. I'm not really a fan, but I'm sure the people.
yeah, it's probably
that-
good for his career
Yeah,
or whatever.
I'm sure.
Because I've
people-
never heard him. This is the first time I hear
I'm
him.
sure people who are fans of his thought that he was amazing, but as someone who's a fan of Drake, I'm like,
Nah, this is nonsense.
yeah, you just stop doing the accents, bruh. Stop it, bruv.
That sucks. But
Like,
in any
stop
case,
it, bruv.
don't forget to like, subscribe, suggest any video you'd like us to see. You don't have to compliment me, I know.
That's a
I know.
that's a keyboard.
I know, ladies, I know. Yeah, and tell us what you'd like to see next on the channel.